Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup NAS using NAP RTRR encryption, full guide step by step clearly. To begin the backup process, ensure that your NAP NAS is powered on and connected to your network. Access the NAP NAS web interface from your computer's web browser. Log in using your administrator credentials to access the management dashboard. Navigate to the Backup Stations section on the left menu. Select RTRR from the Backup Station options. Click on Create a new RTRR job to start configuring your backup tasks. Choose the type of backup you want to perform, either remote backup or local backup. If you are backing up to a remote server, enter the necessary connection details, including the server address and your login. In the Source section, select the folders or files you wish to backup from your NAS. For the Destination section, choose the location where your backup will be stored, whether on a remote NAS or cloud service. Next, look for the encryption option in the RTRR job settings. Enable encryption to secure your backup data. You will then need to create an encryption password. This password will be required to access the encrypted backup later. Confirm the encryption password to ensure it is entered correctly. Adjust any additional settings based on your preferences, such as schedule, bandwidth limits, or file compression. Review all settings carefully to ensure accuracy before proceeding. Click on Apply to save your RTRR job configuration. To run the backup immediately, select the newly created RTRR job and click on Run Now. Monitor the backup progress through this. Once the backup is complete, verify that the files are accurately backed up. Consider setting up a schedule for regular backups to maintain data security. Make sure to store your encryption password securely, as losing it may prevent access to your backup. Regularly check the backup logs to ensure that all scheduled jobs run successfully. In case of any issues, consult the QNAP support documentation for troubleshooting tips. This completes your setup for backing up your NAS using NAP RTRR with encryption. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.